Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whatever time of day you are watching. Thank you for joining me. Welcome back. Ironically, we're at the tint shop, so that should kind of be self-explanatory. We're getting S9 ceramic all the way around, including the windshield, because you got to protect this, baby skin and the interior of the Jeep from all the cracking, fading, and anything else you might experience. So, let's do it. And it's done. What I ended up going with was 15% in a nano ceramic all the way around. The windshield is also a nano ceramic, just at 70%. So you'll notice that all the rear windows are darker than the fronts. That's due to the factory tinted privacy glass, making the tint look darker than it is. And here's what it looks like from inside. I'm not saying you need nano ceramic tint, but the added UV protection really helps protect your skin and the interior from cracking, aging, and fading. Also, the level of heat rejection is impressive, especially if you live in a hot climate like I do and you need to cool down as quickly as possible. Now, in the back where my kids usually sit, it's darker from the privacy glass like I mentioned, which is great for them. They just don't know how great it is. Oh, and I want to thank all the guys at the tint shop for always taking care of me. It's always been a great experience at a great price. And speaking of price, the tint shop has offered anyone local or coming through Vegas a 10% discount on all tinting services. Just let them know I sent you, and they'll take care of you. And with that, thanks for watching.